Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a good old-fashioned grocery shopping haul from Aldi. We had a bit of a snowstorm in our area the last couple of weeks, and I wanted to stock up on a few things just to make sure if we get more snow that at least I have food. This was a Saturday morning when I chose to go, and apparently I picked the worst time maybe because it was very heavy with Instacart shoppers trying to fill up their carts quick with all of their orders while I was just trying to do my shopping, but it was fine. We made it work. If you are new to this channel and seeing my videos for the first time, please consider subscribing below. I do make new videos every Wednesday from grocery shopping to crafting to cleaning and all things Dollar Tree. So if you want to keep up, just subscribe below and I will see you next week too. Now onto this grocery haul. I always prefer to go to Aldi or even Lidl sometimes for my groceries. Comparing prices between those stores and the ones like around here we have Safeway, Giant, Harris Teeter, or Wegmans. The prices just don't compare. I will always find the better deal at an Aldi or Lidl. I also in this video wanted to go back to a grocery haul I think I did back in July and compare the prices of some of the same items I got in July and now. So when I do the grocery haul later on in the video, you will see the prices from July 2024 to now January 2025. And somehow I thought a lot of things would probably go up with inflation, but actually I feel like some things went down and I got better deals than I did in July. But back to this grocery haul, that was probably my favorite juice that I just grabbed that is sadly already gone, so I need to go back to Aldi to get more. It's one of the few juices I actually like from Aldi. I also really wanted to restock on spices, but they didn't have any. And then this was their seasonal / Valentine's aisle. They had some fitness stuff, some organizing stuff, and then very little Valentine's decor or candy. I went on a Saturday. I honestly don't know when Aldi restocks their things. It was bare and very, I guess, maybe pick through. I don't know how long it's been up. I think I was probably the last person to come through. All of these things seem like they're old Christmas seasonal treats that were just left over. This coffee mug was super cute. I think it smelled like cappuccino or something, but it actually looked like one too, and then you could always reuse the glass later. There was also some Valentine candies here for kids at school or whatever, but again, it wasn't that much. I will say the price of eggs here at Aldi were, off the top of my head, I can't remember. It was like $3.60. You'll see it later on in the video, but I've been to other stores. Like I went to Shoppers and got some, and I think they were like $6.99 there. So I will for sure be going back to an Aldi or Lidl for milk and eggs and all that kind of stuff, because these prices are just getting higher and higher, and I don't know how we can spend $7 for eggs. The frozen section and the section in the middle is probably my favorite part of Aldi. All of these vegetables and mixed vegetables are greatly priced. I think this was like 87 cents. It's easy to stock up on. And then the middle aisle always has great items to try, new items to try, and probably a lot of impulse purchasing too. And this is the end of the shopping at Aldi with my full cart of probably 50% impulsive choices. And then I headed to self-checkout. Comment below if you are a self-checkout type of person or you actually want to be rung up by a cashier and prefer it that way. I'm curious. I will probably always pick self-checkout just so I don't feel rushed and I can like organize everything in bags, but it's just a personal choice. And now for the grocery haul, I made a comment if the price went up or down and then gave the actual prices of things. Like this potato bag, I think I got, $3.69 for a 10-pound, but then in July I got a 5-pound for $3.99. Kind of crazy. Same with the Parmesan cheese. I think it went up in price. Same with this butter, it actually went down in price. And the romaine lettuce went up in price. That's great. Oh, this chicken, which I love, went up. This pack of onion actually went down in price. The tortillas, I believe, stayed the same. Yeah, see, these eggs were $3.49. I swear I went to another store and they were like $6.50. It was crazy. Oh, this ground beef went down 10 cents. Interesting. Oh, the hamburgers went up like 50 cents even. Oh, my Alfredo chicken, my favorite dinner, stayed the same. So did these mixed vegetables. And the broccoli went up a few cents. It seems like the potato items went down too. This is the final total. I spent $154.91 for all of this, which I feel good about. It was actually a lot of stuff, and currently my fridge is still stocked with most of this stuff. So I'm pretty proud of myself. Now we can get to cleaning and organizing as I speed clean the freezer and fridge, throwing out all the stuff that has been in there for a couple months and maybe has some freezer burn, or I just really don't even want it anymore. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching. I will try and do more grocery hauls. It's kind of interesting to see the prices go up or down, so maybe another 6 months I'll do another one and I can compare from a year ago in 2024 to July of 2025. That might be interesting. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week for probably some more Dollar Tree crafting with Valentine's coming up. I wanted to get a few craft ideas for you. But thank you. See ya.